Hello everyone. Today I, Suchitra, volunteer of Narela Community Library, is here to take you into the world of interesting stories. So I've observed and read as well that animals, they decide their movement as per the seasons and climatic conditions. So can we think which animal comes out and flops here and there in the season of rain, like when it's rainy season? Or are there different insects who all comes out? मतलब बारिश or insects? Let's think. Who all comes out? Okay, there are small little flies, and when it's humid, there are few other small little insects that comes up. There are a lot of frogs, and even in the house verandas, sometimes frogs comes up. Trr, trr. And who all? In the farms, gardens, there are earthworms. Yup. So these are the few insects and amphibian like frog who comes out during the time of rainy season. So today's story is about an amphibian, about a frog. So here is our story. So what can we see on the cover page? Yeah, we can find a smiling and happy frog. And what is the frog here up to? Okay, the frog is here sharing about its own life. So our story, in which the frog will be talking about its own life, and is written by Vicky Arya, and this book is published by National Book Trust. Let's see what all is there into the story. This frog is really enjoying. He says that you must have seen me in the rain, sitting in a little pond or in a drain. I have definitely seen. A chain of frogs? No, not a chain of frogs. What is it? These are very small beings becoming a frog. कौन होंगे? Let's find out. As a child, I splash and splish, looking somewhat like a fish. But I am called a tadpole then. Okay. I don't use hands to catch my food. No usage of hands. सब काम अपने आप हो जाए automatic. My tongue, it flicks and does the trick. Okay. Are your tongue able to do the trick? Are you able to do it with your tongue? It seems that he's thinking something very interesting. I live happily on land or water and in the dampest quarters. Very happy. Dampest quarters. I am colored like the plants and leaves. Can you tell a frog from leaves? Can you? This is a strong, sturdy snake, blue colored, a very tough one. But danger lurks. See, the snake, my enemy. I must run, lest he swallows me. He's quite scared. Again happy. We have our songs and love to sing. Though, do you? No doubt, it sounds like croaking. Trrr, trrr. It's sunny, too hot. The frog is feeling gloomy. The sun's heat, a ball of flame, makes me long and thirst for rain. It's all happy again into the water, enjoying. Have you seen my webbed feet? They help me swim on a watery sheet. Jump, a leap. I don't just walk or gently amble, but leap and jump and merrily gamble. Okay. Here is a boy, a little boy. I am useful too. The frog is useful too, as man well knows, for I eat grants and mosquitoes. Frog is sleeping in bliss, very happy, huh? When it gets too cold for the likes of me, I go off to sleep. And you won't see me then. You won't see the frog then. When I read this story, about the frog telling about its own life, I felt like sharing something about my life. What feelings do you have right now? We can actually write about ourselves right here, right now, like wherever you are. Write something about your life, something that's unique to you, something that's important to you, something that you do every day. Think about it, share it, and that's going to be interesting. I seriously liked sharing the story with you. Thank you everyone for listening to me. And you can definitely share with me if there's another story that you specifically want to hear. Do share that. Thank you.